Thank you, folks. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Raleigh's Tavern.
Thank you, everybody.